Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. In this video, we will talk about entering your company's actual data into Modeliks. Here in this section in Dashboards, you can input and soon connect your accounting software to see your actual financial results of your business. Actual financial results are the real financial results of your business for the previous months and years, as recorded in your accounting records. We are working on integrations with the most popular accounting tools, however, for now, you can input actuals manually in Modeliks. We have streamlined the input process, so it should not take more than 10 minutes per month. After you input your actuals, all dashboards will be automatically generated. To input actual financial results, first, choose the financial statement for which you would like to enter data. You will enter actual results for revenue and expenses in the profit and loss statement. Enter data about your assets, liabilities and equity in the balance sheet statement. Enter data about your cash flow in the cash flow statement. Lastly, you can enter your employee data in the employee schedule. You will notice that you can only enter data in the blue fields, while the black fields are automatically calculated. The structure of your profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement in actuals follows the same structure as your financial plan you created in the forecast section. Meaning, all the revenue streams, expenses, assets, liabilities and equity that you created when making the financial plan, you will be able to see here, and input actual results for them. If you have not created a financial plan yet, you should start there, and create your plan first. If your accounting records show some type of account that you don't see here in actuals, go ahead and create that account in your financial plan, and it will show up here at actuals as well. For example, if you see in your accounting records an account called Other Revenue, but you don't see it here in actuals, go to your financial plan, go to the Revenue tab, add New Revenue, call it Other Revenue, enter planned results, and click Save. Go back to Dashboards, then Actuals, and you should see Other Revenue, and you will be able to enter actual data. Next, select whether you would like to input monthly data or annual data. To get the most insights into the performance of your business, we recommend you enter both monthly and annual data. Then, select the period for which you would like to input data. The first time you start using Modeliks dashboards, you will likely input data for the past 12 months, and 1 to 3 years. After this initial data input, you would enter data once every month, and for 1 month only. For now, let's say that we want to input data for March 2023. Finally, you need to decide whether you would like to input data on the stream level or on a driver level. At driver level, you would enter more detailed data, in case you would like to create detailed custom reports. An example of stream level inputs for revenue would be the total revenue for each revenue stream. At driver level, you can also input data like number of units sold and the unit price for that revenue stream. For most companies, it will be sufficient to input data at stream level, as all predefined dashboards in Modeliks require only stream-level data. Now we are ready to input actual financial data into Modeliks. There are a few ways to do it. First, you can just type the data into the cells directly. Alternatively, you can copy past data from Excel. The third and currently most efficient way is for you to download a template in Excel right here. Then you fill that template in your Excel file and upload it back into Modeliks, and the system will read the data in automatically. As mentioned, very soon you will be able to directly connect your accounting software to Modeliks, then this task will be fully automated. Our team is hard at work to make this experience even simpler and more powerful. Once you have your actuals into Modeliks, enjoy our dashboards and impress your investors.